In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Ssleay32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and simply open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows 11 and wait for days to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then all you have to do is right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. And then you have to right click on the DLL file, select copy, then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, locate the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, right click and then select paste. Okay, simply paste that here. And once done, close the Windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Then the next method, you can also check for the available updates for your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply download and install or check for all the updates on your Windows. Okay? So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.